ExperienceBU now has an attendance URL feature which allows you to quickly capture attendance at your events. From your Organization Tools menu, select Events. Select any upcoming event from your events list. And here you can see the attendance URL connected to this event. If this URL is shared at your event, any attendee who clicks the URL will be marked as attended on ExperienceBU. The attended number here would increase as more attendees click the URL. You can then export your attendance information by clicking Track Attendance and Export. Note that this URL should be shared at the end of your event or via email following your event. The URL only works 72 hours after your event, so if a student does not click it in a timely manner, they will not be marked as attended. You can always manually track a student's attendance at your event on ExperienceBU. Watch our attendance tracking tutorial video to learn how to do so. If you have any questions about this tutorial video, email us at experiencebu@brocku.ca.